Wagwan ENT.
DYNAMQ SOUND INTERNATIONal 10th year anniversary. African Champion Sound.
Mad Squad, yeah, boy.
Yes, Mad Squad is just a job solved. X amount of food I got in a body bag into this squad with mad. Mad Squad.
Yeah, me know, you don't know it's all about Striker Mad Squad representing for DYNAMQ Sound 10th anniversary. That's what I say. Many more blessings, my general. You don't know it's all about a long journey and we just go and keep up. See? So right now, Mad Squad go and touchdown thing call.
You don't know a Mad Squad is so me I say, yeah man, a Froggy and a Striker and a Father Tick. It's all about the family. Sanchez again. Oh, Mad Squad sound a murderous song. Yeah. Mad Squad a murder song. There are lots of sounds in life, some that you may not like. You could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone away. Hold up your head now, Mad Squad. Be conscious, yes, Mad Squad. And by your works you shall surely be paid. I never tried this sound with the under. Mad Squad who's got the title. One who sits high and he looks down low. And if you ever this sound with the under, the sound who's got the title, then you'll be someone that he don't know.
This one called
say a prayer and chant a psalms. Prayer a day keep a sound boy calm. You don't have to go to church.
DYNAMQ is still love the rhythm and a Mad Squad classic.
You coulda come from Canada, or you come from Japan. Coulda come from USA, or you come from JA. Dead sound, say them a dead sound. Hear me now, them coulda come from Moby, or them come from Kingston. You see how this a sound, you know we run the town. No sound like the Mad Squad sound. Hey mate, whoa, I want you get me straight. Mad Squad sound is great, whoa, I might, whoa, Mad Squad sound is great, blood.
Mad Squad
hey, a Mad Squad sound with the massive them low, hey blow. Mad Squad sound no joke.
True the real.
You coulda come from Canada, or you come from Japan, or you come from.
I see this song I play next. Happens to be Mad Squad first to play that singer anywhere in the world. Nitty Cutty, first to play by Mad Squad Sound, 2003 World Class. That one your name?
Sure. Big gun. It's it. Alright. Sure. Big gun, man, rise, boy, no make no nice. You this the Mad Squad, they get the shot between your eyes. Your life depend the line, the faster just to realize. A gunshot to the brain. Sure. Send threat, you know, I instant it. We use the black blunt to send through your poop and day. And use the double plate to chop select the 9 inches. Gunshot to the brain. Mad Squad, some man the sound killer, sound stopper. We kill sound, them can't cross this about them and the sound killer, sound stopper. We kill
Mad Squad anthem, you know.
cross this, and then we're swerving in suburban switching lanes. Spend up all them doughs and them crumbs and things. Name out, get some funny names. Don't hate Mad Squad.
This is Bunch About your tune to Mad Squad Sound.
Drag, one to them, Mad Squad, the Almighty. Don't take it lightly. Striker, Froggy, Phantom. Politely. Before them see God, them see the devil. That's why it's Mad Squad. How we say God, and them boys say Baphomet the fag. I want to them, how we say go at the greatest of all time, and them say hag. I want to them, boy, them get them to a tug. I want to them, in a master so cocky in a bag. Drag, want to them, Mad Squad, the Almighty. Don't take it lightly. Striker.
You understand? Think on.
Politely. Before them see God, them see the devil. That's why some life so miserable. Mad Squad I say he's God and not the devil. He make this world be comfortable. Before some see God, them seek the devil. That's why them sound so miserable. Mad Squad I say he's God and not the devil. He make this world be comfortable.
Thunder praise Vatican 24/7. Don't know the man that build the earth and the heaven.
He ma make the sun shine 7 to 7. Ice, earthquake and storm. At the dangerous something. Lightning and thunder. Clap make you frightened. Volcano and lava burn your how to nothing. Man all the fight is brother to gain title. Why did start?
From Cain and Abel.
When Cain shoot a knife in his brother's navel. Is it time to live as
Dynamic 10th anniversary.
God, them seek the devil.
The play showcase, you understand?
Life, so.
I know we couldn't play one bounty killer for you, them, you understand? So watch on now.
Mad Squad, the mad people. Motherfucking niggas should know. Hollow Pint and Teflon drive through them like people. Yo! Sincerely, Mad Squad killing them dearly. Froggy, Striker, Cross. Oh, my eyes can see more clear. Mad Squad sound killing them there. Sound boys still in the tree.
Yo!
But it's become a murder scene. Well, Mad Squad treat them bad. No, them afraid, you know them look so sad. They shouldn't make we get so mad. We give them all the bullets we have. No, them don't know what to do. When I see Mad Squad killing you, they hurt you, yes it's due. We're gunshot, we are gonna give to you. It's okay, it's alright. The whole of them sound I got there tonight. To kill a jump on the Mad Squad like yo. You get reason and light yo. Hollow Pine to your body for spite yo. And you're dead and you lose your life. And later in the clash tonight, we are go down them all before night.
Mad Squad tell a jump and go, tell a punk don't stay. We have guns so till them a whole and grey. We are gonna leave them in a sorrow, leave them in dismay. Hello,
We can't play next Sanchez for the item.
Good boy,
Sanchez.
A long time we a play and we a kill jump on. Run another rhythm, make we boost another one. Now we're in the dance hall to hang our next one. 1, 2, 3, Mad Squad play along. Kill a jump on. Mad Squad them go be kill a jump on. Mad Squad them a the true number one. Mad Squad no yeah me Froggy. Striker, yeah man father take. Mob you massive. Washington likewise. Yeah. Oh, I lift up my hands to the Mad Squad, cause they make me strong. Mad Squad, you put food on my table.
Big up Dynamic
yes,
on the third ear, no?
Mad Squad, we love you so.
It's a journey, yo.
Mad Squad, we need you so. To kill us out, hallelujah. Praise his name, hallelujah.
Yo, yo, boy now. You love Mad Squad sound, yes. Big up man like Striker.
This one call Yo Barris.
Yo, no. Many did try but could not test Mad Squad sound, yeah. Many did try but Mad Squad just blew them down. Yo, yo. Some a fool went to the bed.
Dynamic. That 10 minutes
yes.
kind of set away and sticky you.
That's what it takes to take Mad Squad round.
Anyway,
Mad Squad got the plates. Give the world and soul jumping.
one feature them song up on your thing, you, cause you don't know you're real youth, you know. Big up the African sound.
Yo, you don't know a Mad Squad, you don't know a Gully God. Yo, I'm a Striker. Doing, you don't know. Yo, Moby, watch on now. Don't know in a Connecticut. New York City. Canada. Yeah. Big bad Mad Squad, that's what I say. Some boy can't play that.
Quick and fast.
It's a big league. Yeah, the big league. Mad Squad, them a live them life and you know them life real. It's a big league. Yeah, the big league. From nothing to something, now we up in the big league. Mad Squad, right now the thing up like 7 and them can't the high job. Red eye sound where you watch out for business, them need little eye.
Mad Squad sound. Sure.
What do you got the read from I heard them say if it
Dynamic, big up yourself, you know.
Bumbo clap, man, I laugh off at them.
Because we bigger than. Oh!
Hey, Striker, you know. Get a youth, we not change how we go. We just need a cool down.
Play some song.
Live me life like
Dynamic and money whistle, right?
all mad squad need a the bingo. Mad squad say we not play hide and seek, and you can't deceive and I'm go hide and speak. Tell y'all them but them a just wanted. Walk off the whole of them bloody pan street. Mad squad, the thing on the cap pussy better stay down. The place hotter than the devil playground. Yeah, we ride out on the bike back, shoot too thick, and we kill who not like that. We dep on a bad part, if you not dep on it, strike.
Mad squad, who gas them up, come we go bust the cylinder. Matic, and I must represent for Mad Squad son. And me I say yo striker, yo doing. Yeah, me I say no more be yo New York, yo Connecticut. You know a mad thing, you know. Let that bus say that bus fly. Place get dark, don't butterfly. Yo, yeah, me I say the Mad Squad son, yo striker, yo doing. Find them this man a shot in a them brain.
Massacre.
Hold on. Mad Squad, who gas them up, come we go bust the cylinder. Matic in a lap striker, and crack the window. Do enough like kick in a chest, we no ninja. One of the strength in a with index finger. Bust the cylinder, colder than winter. Mad Squad sound, never left the inja. Take with them life, them coulda faster than a sprinter. Pussy a joke, you take bad man thing for. Bust the cylinder, turn in a your bed. Mad Squad sound, keep one in a your head. Cut the fuckery, grab your this striker, you're dead. Them find your body without your hand, without your head. New York, bust the cylinder, kings get dread. On 357 left your thinner than a tread. Run off your mouth, Mad Squad a fire lead. Somebody buy fish, somebody buy your bread.
Dynamic, tell them.
And then they see and them a got dead.
You understand? Think all Mad Squad striker. We are representing for Dynamic 10th year anniversary. You understand? There's a blessing you. Bless.
African champion sound.
Hey, me I say for no say I can represent for DEEBUZZ sound in the Dennis and Sebastian. Kick it off like a ball on the rampant sound boy. Straight.
Kill me because I go murder all of them. So
It's the DEEBUZZ. Yeah. Shango keep it burning, yo. And tell them some can't cold. Righteousness exaltation. A DEEBUZZ, a real power sound. Tell them this. They will never care. DEEBUZZ have to burn them. Burn them all, yeah. And they will never share. DEEBUZZ have to burn them. Burn them out, yeah. Cause they will never hear. DEEBUZZ have to burn them. Burn them all, yeah. Sound boy a disappear. DEEBUZZ no fear them. Well, bigger judgment again. Mashing up the world out there. With them atomic energy and them nuclear. Mashing up the world out there. They know them afraid them one and still want our share. Mashing up the world out there. That's why we burn out the eagle, dragon and the bear. Mashing up the world out there. As if they don't care, as if they don't care.
The roots of a family. Boom bam. See the Columbia alongside Fanta Moja.
Oh, DEEBUZZ sound.
Fanta Moja is like a lot of different DEEBUZZ sound. Coming in hot. We coming in hot. Like a hotter than before. Twice than before. DEEBUZZ sound. We coming in bad. We coming in bad. We badder than before. Twice than before. DEEBUZZ sound. When the bingy man a chant and the fire go burn. Welcome, yo the champion come fire burn out some nasty ways from sun clash. Them have the people them in a slave, them get fire. DEEBUZZ a champion sound a dead. Sister Kalaji burn.
Well then, don't fuck around because I just might shoot you.
We name DEEBUZZ sound. Me tell you no. Them can't test this one. Me tell you no. We name DEEBUZZ sound. Me tell you no. We kill them one by one. I man say excuse me for a moment, for a introduction. DEEBUZZ is killing sounds like a true champion. Now greetings to the world, voice of the one called Big Gangzilla. DEEBUZZ sound system I play, the champion from Germany, heavyweight style, you know. Scara, Dennis, General Sebastian. Ooh-wee! Sound boy, shut up your mouth. Tell some little sound boy, shut them out. Sound boy, shut up your mouth. Tell some little sound boy, shut them out. The people saying DEEBUZZ alone, them know where rule dance all. The way them deal with music, woman start ball. DEEBUZZ are where the youths them need overall. The way them deal with dancehall. Hey yo, and then them never play for no guy in a no 3-piece suit, or no pretty boy in a no Chris Nike boot. Them no play for no dapper, them no play for no dupe. Them play the heavy dub, them for the little ghetto youth. A balling starry, ex-news and cleaner. Foot might be dirty, but his heart is much cleaner than those sound selector fighting down SENSI. And get up every day, they wanna run this arena. Well, extra, guess what? Read all about it. DEEBUZZ charged for murder, there is no doubt about it. If baby want feed and can't do without it, I must the 45 of figure scout it. Oh no, so sound boy, shut your mouth. You tell some little sound boy, shut them out. Well, oh sound boy, shut up your mouth. We tell some little sound boy, shut them out. The people saying DEEBUZZ alone, them know where rule dance all. The way them deal with music, woman start ball. Yeah, well voice to the one called Big Gangzilla. Play by DEEBUZZ music, you know. Word, sound and power, Sebastian Scara, stay so ooh-wee. We turn up the bass, mash up the place and make some sound boy run. DEEBUZZ a blaze the fire, make it burn them. We turn up the bass, mash up the place and make some sound boy run. DEEBUZZ will end your week just like a Sunday. We turn up the bass, mash up the place and make some sound boy run. DEEBUZZ a blaze the fire, make it burn them. We turn up the bass, mash up the place and make some sound boy run. DEEBUZZ will end your week just like a Sunday. I pan a pose, but if I'm suppose them so we up close, them couldn't suppose it. Killing the flows, we sicker than most, they fit in the foes, me what the most. All them attack, all them a shot, never yet halt and never yet flap, never yet halt and never yet stop. Keep up with yard and never yet drop. Boss and gang, the legend live on. We give them it hard, we give them it strong, we give them it rough, give them it long, give them it right and never yet wrong. See that the victory, the hotter the buckle, the bigger the cover, the fatter the buckle, the bit of the rockle, I might have a knuckle.
Some boy coming up trace like some big pussy girl. Them don't know about the buzz. Mother than the pussy them fi know. Alright, tell them DEEBUZZ a bad son with a trace like bitch so. We fire bullet with the hollow them tips up. Head a leak like a blood clot Kisco. Them find your body in a San Francisco. Hey, I wonder if them have a mind sick so. After me shot you now you eye me ice pick up. Head a leak like a blood clot Kisco. When them fi know them DEEBUZZ yeah. From a gunshot pussy you go get it. My tick in your blood clots face me select it. Anything we shot never yet make it. Call me some mad no come blood clot collect it. If I don't you know what we make it. If you say I be a headshot we attack it. Rifle shot make people inspect it. Head back whoop me like melon when shot it.
Yo,
sound a good then.
Dennis.
So hear me man. I jump and so run off them fucking mouth. You know what you know? Yeah. Sound a go on like stone double. Seems like them love trouble.
But me tell them no trouble. Because DEEBUZZ sound them a double trouble.
Tell them but not them should not trouble. But not them should not trouble. But not no so no trouble. Boy violate and death.
DEEBUZZ, the last boy with trouble with. Situation ugly. Cross, boy start ball suddenly. I'd like shouting him at about he was
easy. DEEBUZZ highly. Come follow me now, hey, me never warm, forever burning. Can you see we turntables turn? Oh, and I love DEEBUZZ we preaching. So every land of hate will burn. I was there when a timpan came and get thrown down because them sound need to lame them. I wonder if we crazy, wonder if we sane. But every jump and a figure go up in a play my DEEBUZZ. No nothing fi be running a the land and start a fire, start a fire. Sebastian bun down the whole like na the dance and start a fire, start a fire. Cause them I wonder if we are the champion, but we I go kill every single jump on from on. You know nothing fi be running a the dance and start a fire, start a fire. Beam, DEEBUZZ, me ready, my friend. Me fit and me ready for them. A long time them a penny, we will say we enemy them. Chronics are independent, Pansela say where me depend. A timpan a wonder, tell them how we defend. Me say DEEBUZZ, DEEBUZZ, done them in a style and fashion. Oh God, tell them say when they dance done, the people them say we are the champion.
Right about now, you don't know how the war chef did some King Fargo sound. You understand? Big up my good friend DYNAMQ on him 10-year anniversary. Original Sudanese child. You understand? You don't know King Fargo endorse. You go play some song. Cause you don't know the big sound out of Brooklyn, New York. You understand? And the whole team there. So you don't know where I endorse DYNAMQ on him 10-year anniversary. Cancer, we are some brother.
Make up yourself, war chef, everything alright. So I'm gonna just deal with it that way, Chris. Set it.
There is always a champion for each of us, they say. And King Fargo is my champion. So sound boys run away. I could search this whole world over until my life is through, but I know I'll never find a sound so true. I had a great song called King Fargo. Let it away, please. Ooh, yeah. King Fargo again.
Alright, make us start it that way for DYNAMQ 10-year anniversary. How you got Lucian?
Fargo is a messenger, teaching the youth about roots and culture. Telling them that's
now worry yourself, man.
That's all him a deal with again. King Fargo is a conqueror, beating some soundboards all over.
Request to our God bless people, our God-hearted people.
So we prayed,
from one Luciano to the other. Think all.
Give praise to Rastafari.
Holy money will lie.
And all praises unto Jah. Give praise to Rastafari. King Fargo sound a conqueror.
Warm up the machine them way across.
How many days, so many nights, King Fargo faced this life.
Hey DYNAMQ, pick up yourself, you understand? Original Sudanese youth, for real.
Think I must try.
At the 10-year anniversary, and King Fargo sound I represent.
Environment, sometimes they do me.
Crisscross, big up. Jeremy, big up. Famous, big up. Hazzy, big up. War chef, big up. Come.
So give praise to Rastafari.
We'll play some smooth song right now.
Fargo sound in the air.
We're gonna have a shot to the whole place. Come.
Oh yeah. Hear me. I know Vasco. Fargo knows for
King Fargo
knows what's going on.
Yo, Frankie Point, tell him.
I know Vasco. I know world. King Fargo knows what's going on.
And the bad machine I record for the 10-year anniversary show.
Jump on them, jump on sound. Tonight we're gonna bury them in music style.
You better know that,
yeah.
What's the
when King Fargo start to play, a sound run away.
When I want to hear one Frankie Paul song, youth, hold on.
Oh yeah.
Frankie, chat to them again.
And Baba, look at my sound. Yeah. King Fargo is the champion sound. I know.
I know one.
I know.
Ready.
I know Vasco.
Let me play a song for the girls. I'm in a clash style.
No
war style. Fargo. Play a song for the girls them.
Listen. King Fargo is better than no sound.
Yes, I.
King Fargo will throw our song going down. If anyone should ask you who's the Fargo,
tell them my sound roll.
Hey. Forever killing 10 sound.
What we do?
King Fargo, you kill throughout the world. To other dancehall fans and people. Hey, let it
unleaded song, Chris Cross. Roll out some unleaded song. Unleaded. Yo!
I see a little son boy been trying to conquer this King Fargo sound system.
Who vibes up with self man? A King Fargo sound up here, repping for the 10-year anniversary. Dynamic, big up. Come now.
When King Fargo the champion start playing.
Yo!
Little soon boy you don't know them start falling. Soon boys meet them Waterloo.
What's the last year?
Yes, they just can't understand how it's so hard to do. I soon test King Fargo and get slow.
I don't respond for no sound. A King Fargo sound is.
The sound boys bar.
Anywhere that sound you play a mad thing. Wicked free.
Leave King Fargo.
Why can't I say that?
All we need is Fargo sound.
Make we lock down the place now, Chris Cross.
King Fargo, King Fargo, sitting in the sound clash.
Yo!
Waiting on King Fargo to play. Yeah.
What we are do, Hazzy?
Sitting in the sound clash. Watching sound boys run away. Yeah. Putting up a resistance, but I know King Fargo sound it leads the way. Oh well, Lord.
Lucy!
I don't know where life is going, but
me say me not playing a regular song tonight.
I don't.
They play some unleaded song. I represent the 10-year anniversary.
King Fargo laptop is filled with so much dubs, and we need some sound that we can kill for show to fall.
Lively up on yourself a King Fargo sound I work on the Badman machine out of Brooklyn. Hey!
We always feeling more so strong.
Dynamic, pick up yourself on the 10-year anniversary. And the bad machine I work.
Juggle alone. I need a sound to kill them back up and
shot to them.
I will kill them for you, and you will kill them for me. It's our sound. We will kill them forever. Shower them with bombs. King Fargo. Shower them.
Well, I just this crowd. Make we vibes up. Make we vibes up.
Shower them.
When some sound I play them not have no vibes. A King Fargo sound I work. Make we juggle around.
Hey, tired and weak, so we send them to sleep. They worked all day, dear God, they're weak. And the next door me, your King Fargo, I'll be.
Live up yourself, cancer.
Skanking to King Fargo sound.
Why?
Yes, there is the #1 sound.
You know.
No sound can throw us down.
But we're there in the country,
yo. Some boy, you're not gonna wake up.
You think I do?
Funeral home, they putting on the makeup. Yeah, this why you shouldn't really take up. And I you me hear the promoter back.
Sanchez.
Skanking to King Fargo sound.
They go want a freestyle for the next song.
Sound.
They want the early freestyle. Back with juggle. Come back with it. Come back with it. Come back with it.
Look out, sound boy. It's gonna be rough. Look out, drum band. I said it's gonna be tough.
Back
when we feel it in this dance tonight. King Fargo gonna rinse out your lights all night long. Better music, Fargo.
Early dead artist for the 10-year anniversary. You see it?
Give us
Lord of mercy.
Drum pack is not your day. There's no sound to test my sound. The big bad King Fargo.
Because it's gonna
be rough, yeah.
Let me play a song, you know. When you say Brooklyn and you say Dan One, should I represent them artists? I represent them.
King Fargo be the sound boy and leave them alone.
Request.
Jump and sound boy comes and goes. Whoa, 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 whoa. King Fargo is the sound, the real champion. We'll let no sound boy lose control.
Watch what one. Come.
Cause tonight, King Fargo just beat a sound boy. because sound boy comes to burn. Oh, I try to resist.
And some different set of song right now. King FARGO machine at work. I'll go.
I hope you get your dubs in time.
Yo!
King FARGO gonna kill it tonight. We don't wanna hear no jump and sound. I hope you play your dubs in time. King FARGO, I go kill it tonight in time. Don't wanna hear no jump and sound. It's been a long, long time since King FARGO running the place.
Sing it out, Frankie.
Some sound boy a flip up and a go on and make them look at disgrace. We don't have no time for them. We don't have no time to chat. All we are gonna do
early warning, the 10-year anniversary Tinkle. Yo!
I know FARGO gonna kill your sound.
Peace. Dynamic, big up yourself. You understand? Tinkle the 10-year anniversary. King FARGO Sound represent. Big up my entire team, man. Big up Hazzy, big up Warchef, big up Chris Cross, big up Jermaine, big up Famous. I Cancer scene. So here walk one now. For reach King FARGO is all about Instagram, King FARGO Sound. You understand? And don't forget 917-238-2420 the contact. See me, sir. So the mad sound just I like the thing for Dynamic. You understand? Thing called the 10-year anniversary and King FARGO have to represent cause a good youth. They are seen. That's what the thing said. Mad.
Y2K Sound. I just want you to know, so every time you enter into the dance hall and clash or not, here's Killer Sound. And I'm proud because of the selections that you play. I want to big up Gallus, Ratbat, yo, Chaos, Francis, yo, one do another man. And make I feel happy. Hear that? On it?
Sound is gonna die, yeah. Trust me, die, yeah. Promoter, beg you call the hearse. Because the sound is gonna die tonight. This is the big bad Y2K, and we not gonna lose the fight. Your selector over there is crying and needs attention first. Till you hear the siren, that's how long this beating's gonna last. Better run back home, run, yes. Sound boy, you better run back home, yeah. Oh God.
Oh. Y2K Killer Sound with a dub plate to his face. All idiot sound have to run, leave this place. Don't be like the night when it's dark, cause Y2K Sound is the nearest to your heart. Y2K gonna kill that sound tonight. Y2K gonna kill that sound tonight. Hey.
Yo, Sean Venom, Francis, Gallus, Chaos, and Captain. Hold tight, Monks of Princessa. Watch this. So why you hurting on? Cause Y2K is running you out of town. You just can't take it anymore. Just can't take it no more. This clash is no good for you. They'll play to murder you. Y2K will bury your sound for sure. There's just too much you've been working for to let it go down the drain. Y2K will kill your sound and give your sound a gravestone. Just another sound by killing. Y2K is the sound that's ruling. Just one more time, another sound by dead. Just another sound by killing. Y2K is the sound that's ruling. Just one more time, another sound by dead.
Yeah, Mr. Y2K, boom bye 2K. Mr. Gallus, be a big gun me up, stack up and pile up in my palace. Singer before DJ.
Anyway,
Say point it out and let them know. I want you shout it out and let them know. I want you ball it out and let them know. Y2K make you bad so. You ragamuffin and you jumbo. Oh yeah now, gallis. Rambo we rambo, rough we rough. Any sound test we just mash them up. Hold them selector and kill them with butt. Come interrogancy, come full them up a cut. PPF war, Y2K, PPF war. No time at all when I left with SLR. PPF war, gallis, PPF war. Shot them at the dance and murder them in.
Y2K ready when them harvest start the war. Gunshot a saving a Spaniard jar. I tell Terry Cans about time and him gonna spar. For them bigs until he can't hold in I'm jar. But be calm or be still. Then I wanna do when man I make blood spill. Yet this super black you weather roll down the hill. Boy, don't disrespect me. It's a good fight.
What do them? Come make we go burn them up. Y2K a burn them up. Come make we go burn them up. Gallis a go burn them up. Come make we go burn them up. Venom a go burn them up. Kias a go burn them up. You know mark? Sure, aye. We nah go walk, you walk. Cause when you walk on the road of corruption, you walk, yo. We nah go talk, you talk. Cause when you talk, it not come from your heart, no. We nah go sing, you sing. Cause when you sing, you never yell the king, no. We nah go do, you do. Cause the things you do, Y2K now say them not true. Cause I will never cherish no wrong. And I'll always be strong. Always killing jump on. Well, me say down in a Babylon. Amongst them a wicked man. I will never cherish no wrong. Y2K always be strong. Always killing timpan. Well, me say down in a Babylon. Amongst them a wicked man.
Pussy go look on at the earth team. Head swell like your girl big pussy when we burst team. Shots on you the reverse way. Yeah, chaos use gunshot fuck him up the worst way. Brain jumpish body birds team. Pick your judge out of your head that's how the eagle deserts team. If I even on the church there, see a rat but use gunshot make your white shirt see. Sean, rise the tallest knockers. Use K-shot bust up pussy bone like crackers. The pussy will dead the Thursday. Yeah, the Friday Francis a give him gal backers. We flush shit and this man crew waste matters. Can't use batty man dub fear shatters. Gunshot bust out on no blood clotted when the first one beat. Pussy this and a clapper. So pussy go look on at the earth.
I don't know where them come from, but me know some man a bad man. And me have to ask a question. Y2K I ask, how would you feel if you come in at the dance and you saw Gallis with a Big Mac 11 at your jaw? Feel like you want to disappear but you can't. A Y2K you will not walk with the law. Rat battle shot you for your straw. What would you say if you come in at the dance and you went? You hear a voice and puss in the mouth bells you dead. And when you take a look we say you're out from far. Y2K where you want them a war star. Son boy you figure play. Beg for them life and go down pon them knee. And son boy you figure play. Come this Y2K when we know have them. When a nurse on a pet, when a pet, when a nurse on a nurse on a pet, when a nurse on a nurse on a pet, when a pet, when a nurse. Anything test we go put them in a earth. When a nurse on a pet, when a nurse on a pet, when a pet, when a nurse, when a nurse on a nurse on a pet. When a jabba when a powder. Y2K kill any sound from any area. When a nurse on a pet, when a jabba when a soda when a powder. The AK in our hands some pan get turn over. We think not turn up, we think turn over. Anything tested champion not easy run over. Tell them no Sean Venom, tell them no thunder. Know the gun in our way and it a bust louder than any thunder. Earth we a put jump and under. Head a go jump up on them shoulder. Them dead bout ya. Death in the arena we them just can't conquer. Y2K when a nurse on a pet, when a pet, when a nurse on a nurse on a pet, when a nurse on a nurse on a pet, when a jump on a soda when a powder. Y2K kill any sound from any area. When the nurse on the pet when the bound no so that when I powder. There ain't no sound in on the road that Y2K afraid of. Some liquor jump and what is the matter with them? Play 1 and 2 dub tonight. Them life a go in nothing no heighty tighty flighty boss like a them face a row. I've been back even for them best friend and them no whole. Them original corner again. Girl listen spec busted up plate like a brain. A X amount of gunshot it a run up under them. Cool, fool. Y2K roll of the most dub beating at the rubber dub school. Cool.
Specs. Y2K, warm to them. Some boy know how to do the thing, you know. Drive now them earth and think of them car. Tell them walk with them casket. Anywhere we see them want blood clot dead. Gunshot a bus in a some sound boy head. The pussy them want stop my breath. Fuck the music. Kill them in blood clot state. What going on? War not go stop until we enemies them gone. Me and my gun them start roll again. When me be whole of them a gunshot come and hustle now go cool again. Dead, them dead.
African champion sound.
You don't know it's the Renegade sound. Is in the well dread. I hear me destruction. I hear me. Them sound that them dead. Renegade kill them. Them dead. Well dead. On my way up to Cali, we go listen Renegade. Them a murder some sound. We gonna murder them. Goof off them. Cause them a jump and sound. We can't take the DEEBUZZ sound them, no. Can't take the jump on them, no. Strictly Renegade, you are the champion. Just kill them and done. On my way up to Cali, we go listen Renegade. Them a murder jump and we gonna murder them. Even them a champion, we are gonna cut them down.
Sound, and we can tell them this. The renegade drop big bombs like this. Mr. Mention, alright then. Out comes the sun, shining on my face. Grades get me high. High so renegade can meditate. Days ears. Renegade a real bad sound. Kill them for their tears. Sound boy try to test me. The whole of them have to disappear. Gotta know when you look again you go find. You know that I'm a winner. Damn right you know I bring your places you've never been. But you know I'm a singer. A renegade.
Stand up! I wanna rap with Miss Mention.
Hey, 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 hey. Bun party man, that's what I say. Bun jump and sound, that's what I say. Hey, 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 hey. If you look at me and you hate, when you look at me you go find. You know that I'm a winner. Damn right you know I bring your places you've never been. But you know I'm a singer. A renegade sound, a champion sound. I'm the singer where them expect. So me shuffle the deck in full effect. It's a next step. Who can follow the trend when me they step? Them a go get left. Let them know say ready sound and the best. Me no beg no friend.
Yeah. So I say I live it every time. Emmanuel live it every time. Yeah, hear me? None for them can't sleep at night. Them all a worry and fake. True renegade, them a try for disrespect. Them done get the warning. This is the threat. Noise at my back and all a whole secret. Hypocritical mockers, watch all your step. For your this renegade, you better think and check. Are you for this the high priest? Majors the Excellency. Run the north, south, the east and the west. The red the name right and the scepter I'm left. Are you for this the man? When the man conquer that, the man give us life and let us can blood bread. When you see the prophets start to talk, now make can't sleep at night. Them all a worry and fake. True renegade, them a try for disrespect. Don't get the warning. This is the threat. I send my back and hold a whole city.
Watch him speech on him words, what him saying. Killer is here and renegade sound willing.
Which part them a go with Haitian days killing?
All time style, if you want no man, none scalping. Me name kill and tell them me don't fear no man. Me big 45, make out a blue steel lion.
Made a cowboy take it kill Indian. Mr. Mention and me friend, we spear Mexican.
Well, when the clash was won, and how it begun, I did the renegade sound. Me never seen a jump and know which part them come from. On this wicked man, this me friend Mr. Mention, you dead. Rule help us how we rule Texas City. Me and Josie Well and my friend down to Yari. I'm ramping the yon, then gold and money. Take with them girl, cause them always pretty. Talk them in the west because them black and them lovely. Make them speak English, them give you good picnic. Fear no outlaw, me murder any junkie. Winchester and 45, it not special.
Boy, don't you take renegade fi push over. Over, renegade no push over. Over, renegade sound a murder. Murder, renegade sound a danger. Hey. We've been listening your sound, but you are too young sound boy. And if you try, test renegade, you will not have no joy. No, no. A little sound boy like you ain't nothing but a toy. Oh no. This the renegade sound, you'll be kill and destroy. Destroy, no push over. Over, renegade, no push over. Over, renegade sound a murder. Say little sound boy, don't you take renegade for push over. Over, renegade, no push over. Over, renegade sound a murder. A renegade sound a danger.
We no practice, say walk and talk, talk, talk. Action talk, we no talk, shot back. Head coulda tough like a cock and a talk. Big eagle make brain fly like arc. Nothing flick out, make good taste side back. Bump in your mouth, your leg like shark. Head bust off like a red strike cock. Renegade man, them no mic shark. We bust we gun anyway, anyway, anyway. Rise the matic and beat that anyway. We have the contract with Mag and Cemetery. We not take talk. Renegade bust.
Renegade a nice of the party. Every other sound gone to shame. Tell them I'm ready, it won't be easy. Renegade, I kill you over again.
Tell them Godfather.
Stand
up! I wanna rap with Mr. Mention. You see? So you know Mr. Mention, I'm in a well-dear discussion. Tell Mr. Logan. I'm to them fool you.
Grand sister.
Renegade, I play them tune. Hey!
Yes. Renegade a nice of the party. Every other sound gone to shame. Tell them I'm ready, it won't be easy. Tonight you're not get no fame. Renegade, I kill you over again.
Tell them Godfather.
So I open up. Sound boy, you're gone down the drain.
I'm coming out, but I'm on set. Tell them I'm renegade again. Renegade again. When we step up in this boy afraid again because I renegade again. Renegade again, eh. Just watch the people, them a celebrate again because I renegade again. Renegade again, and when it they inna the dance, I let Sophia set the trend. Me say I renegade again. Renegade again. Big tune, I give them problem.
A box full of special Sensi coming from Kenya. With a box full of special Sensi coming from Kenya. Can't afford to get arrested. We don't have no papers on we now. Oh gosh, can't deal with no time in a jail. Oh no, we're going to listen Sensi tonight. Lord, with a box full of Sensi coming from Kenya. With a box full of special, we come to kill them tonight.
When Sensi rock, you make a sudden attack. Someone can react, then I know do to try counteract. When Sensi make a sudden attack, someone can react, and I eat that someone having this back. Sensi rock, you make a sudden attack. Someone can react, then I know do to try counteract. Sensi rock, you make a sudden attack. Someone can react, and I eat that someone having this back. Yes, them old Sensi rock and apology. Want to abuse I physically and disrespect man mentally. Oh, well, but Sensi rock we are rule the vicinity. We ram up dance hall and party, and everywhere we go, them a ball out for we. Oh, well, Sensi rock you make a sudden attack. And I saw my drop flower net. Oh God. Them say we gone by the morning war. Can't come good in the evening. Well, I let somebody go on with boy. Sensi rock I give them a beating. Sensi rock I show them a sign. You evil son boy in this time, Lord. Whether you deaf or you blind, you have to repent in this time. When we make a sudden attack, someone in that will fly, Lord. Since you have seen your again,
Africa don't touch them. Why? Africa I run ready near tonight. Sensi rock, come fi blaze the fire. Rubber dub special 45 sound boy, you must face disaster. You better leave out of this your dance and take the exit faster. Cause the music Sensi rock, them a play and make every sound boy retire. Sensi rock is the people's job. In Africa, the people's job. Sensi rock is people's job.
And feel the vibe. Sensi rock, when music drops on boy, drop all of them get heart attack, large up full of sense and
DYNAMQ Sound International 10th year anniversary. African Champion Sound.
This is Sensi rock. All of them some boy drop. Informer days tonight. Dance all on them attack bout boy. Informer sound about why them attack bout boy. Champion sound about but we no par with no informer. Sensi rock no par with informer. Informer sound boy them fi dead. Cause I will par with Sister Dawn from a dusk till dawn. And I will let Sister Patsy take me anywhere. Boy, I will listen Sensi rock from night till the broad daylight. But informer sound we kick out them eyesight. Boy, Sensi no power with informer. Sensi rock no power with informer. Informer sound boy them fi dead.
Alright, sit down. Imagine we take bag of herbs from the bus. A Sensi rocker you don't know who fi trust. Sent it such until it a cure sinus. Police stop the bus and a kick out from bus. A Sensi say a natural herbs officer. Just like this
Yo, me a feel the Rastafari every time me man the main focus in a me life. Yes, me a feel King Selassie every time me man the main focus in a me life. Sensi rock a hail the Rastafari every time me man the main focus in a me life. Yes, me a feel His Majesty every time me man the main focus in a me life. Yes, we a feel him over war and over strife. Yell him over all and them the negative vibe. Call up on him name and make the wicked have the hide. Talk about the truth and make them chop up and them pumps and like a Sensi rock for your victory landslide. From down in the valley to the mountain side. On top of the pinnacle mount and shout it worldwide. From them time till now and forever, yes, him always a guide. Him stand by us in a rough time. Though the enemies hunt and seek, shall be your guide in a every tough time. Cause our soul him preserve and keep. So Sensi rock a hail the Rastafari every time him and him in focus in a me life. Yes, me a feel oh King Selassie every time him and him in focus in a me life.
You want to taste my sound, but you can't taste the Sensi rock sound. You can't taste the Sensi rock sound. Cause you know we sound cooler. Some come test we then get beat down. Some come test we then get beat down. Cause we know about the rubber-dub thing, and we know how to make the dance swing. Sensi rock him at the champion sound. Sensi rock at him rule the town. Yeah. Champion sound, uptown sound, and downtown sound. Sensi rock at you the town.
Yo, don't move on. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Other rest a sound boy, them a dirt. Tell you this a sound, have your money worth. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. He said he want me to join the army. I ain't gonna do it, officer. No way, I ain't gonna do it. Turn out your left pocket. I'm searching for a chrome automatic. I'm searching if you're a narcotic. He said, what is the number? I didn't answer. What is the number? I still don't answer. What is the number, boy? Him can go in chopper. Me mama, then him started to answer. Listen me sing. 64, 46, BMW, oh you boy. 54, 46, BMW. Watch out, so boy, because nobody move, nobody get hurt.
Easy now, wait now, easy now. 2 times on, take it easy. Sound boy, take it slow. Hey, wait the not toto. It not a song, no sing so. Cause you must realize that's not how champion sound get his crown. I man say wait little not toto. It not a song, no sing so. Cause you must realize that's not how Sensi rock get his crown. I man say wait little not toto. It not a song, no sing so. Cause you must realize that's not how Sensi rock run the town. Whoa. Cause you want to go to the dance and you want to win the sound clash and you want to get a girl and them things they get you wanted. Now you run gone over the studio and you're gone to cut and splice the and then see them now. Every sound start to kill you. Because you claim say you are the dan, you're the number one. See them now, Sensi rock sound, them a go murder you. Coco say wait little not toto. Sound boy not a song, no sing so. Cause you must realize that's not how Sensi rock got his crown. Coco T say wait little not toto. It not a song, no sing so. Cause you must realize that's not how Sensi rock run the town. Oh, you see you were wrong to tell the people them you are the champion. You are run off your mouth. You go kill Sensi rock in a the session. So you running at the dance and a jump and prance. The people them a talk about say you are the Dan. But I man say wait little not toto. No son not a something no go so.
Cause you must realize that's not how SENSI rock lock the town. You want to go to the dance salon, you want to win the clash. You claim say you're the Dan and you're the big champion, but you're dead tonight.
Oh, yo, highlight! You know it's highlight, motherfucking, because you know it's the highlight sound.
Highlight playing in the ghetto tonight.
Highlight sound, murdering people.
This is highlight sound straight from country, straight from Uzona, you know? So we day have to big up DYNAMQ Sound on his 10th anniversary mixtape. Big up yourself, Southernish child, African sound, a real sound killer, you know?
Highlight!
Live! Oh, talk about sound. It's hard for your sound boy to tell. Highlight sound. For your sound boys don't have any tune. Highlight gonna kill yourself. No sweeter dog, more conscious music for the champion. So step aside and let highlight sound kill a sound. So when you talk about sound, you talk about highlight sound. You talk about highlight sound, champion sound.
Jedgar.
A jump on sound has come to you with them sound that wasn't true, and you pass them by. I pass them by. They even try a thing. Highlight sound just clip them wing, and a sound boy start to cry. I start to cry. Now I don't like them tin pan sound. I don't even like they coming around. All I know is la 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 la. We're going to kill you. Highlight. Well, yeah, now.
I like gonna find them, yeah. With the plate and record, yeah. We're fighting to the top, yes. We'll fight without fear. Lord, we've got to get there. We're fighting to the top.
How can you be so ungrateful after all? I like some play for you, yes. How can you be so unruly knowing he rules and solve for two, yeah. And that's all this handiwork I see. And in this dance song I like rules with authority. Whoa, whoa, what a wonderful feeling when highlight play for me. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You run that song, pussy there. We know one pussy well when we a kill them. Come push up on no blood clotted, make shot fill them. Well, you not done no highlight. High flight, yeah, yeah. Well, pussy well come a chat and a come make tough talk. Kill him, a one dead pussy clot. Yeah, you go make highlight, big gun pop off. Kill him, a one dead pussy clot. Kill him, cause highlight friend no beg. A gunshot we put up in a them ya pussy head. Kill him, cause bushman no beg friend. We bury them, dig them up and shoot them again. Kill him, a long time them fi dead. Jar the high grade that put bullet in her head. Long time them batty boy sound ya fi dead. Highlight use gunshot, highlight you.
Acting from the top to the very last drop.
Sound boy,
do it stop.
You not hear about highlight sound. Whoa, yo. Sound boy, I go run in a this a sound clash. Highlight come fi kill you in a this a sound clash. Blood I go run in a this a sound clash. Highlight I go win in a this a sound clash.
Better style.
It was written in the book. Highlight sound a champion sound. Other sound I come around.
dong 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 diddly diddly. I waddle them, them. Bim. I waddle them, them.
Highlight sound, murdering people. And then I kill sound, kill sound. Highlight your kill sound, kill sound. Kill sound and bury them star. Anyway. Well, there's no sound in sound system can test this a champion sound. Highlight kill everything in a country all over the world, even in a town. They're not different from those scribes and Pharisees selectors come around. They lurk in the corner, Kylock in the street, flirt in the town. They never do positive. Always find a Jamaican people business their own. Dance a yard before you dance abroad. Highlight a killer jump and sound. Highlight you just kill sound. Any which sound. Highlight you are on the town. Highlight you just go kill sound. Any which sound. Anyway, highlight. There is no other like Jah. Be wise and a Jah guide. Sound boy recognize. Wicked heart must put you down. Highlight a kill your little drum and sound. Full time Babylon I realize. Highlight is the element of surprise. And a wicked heart must put you down. Well then, how them fetch so when them know we a madman. Select a chat about how much him a bad man. Nah, this no listen and him nah praise God man. So we just kill him and put him in a bad man. Well done. You know that we're the best around. Highlight your kill clown. Well, no never test the little champion. Now we are lucky down. Well then, there is no other like Jah. Be wise and a Jah guide. Sound boy recognize. Wicked heart, we must put you down. Alright, highlights them. Killing it is a part of our policy. You test highlight and we murder sound.
Highlight sound, aka the country murderer. They coulda kill you with a dub plate or a 45. Depend on how they feel and them vibe. Highlight coulda kill you with a dub plate or a 45. Depend on how they feel and them vibe. Yo, say highlight, know the vibe. When you hold a 45 with your thumb in and the middle fingers on the outside. Black vinyl about 7-inch wide. Information on the label, music on the two sides. Something about the 45, me say something about the vibe. Brand new tunes too, not just revive. You coulda have a million tune up on your hard drive, but there's something about the look and the touch and the vibe of a 45. They know about the feel and the vibe. Highlight coulda kill you with a doublet or a 45. Depend on how they feel and them vibe. Yo.
Rumors them spreading, claim that the sense they were planting, but the trickle of a love that we playing. I hear rumors of one, children island, a little sound while lock off you want. You don't know highlight and you don't understand. You see we're playing some crystal fake. You should never ever underrate. Rumors them spreading, claim that the sense they were planting, but the trickle of a love highlight playing. I hear rumors of one. So mind your diss, sound boy. Mind your disrespect me. Mind your diss, sound boy. And welcome test me.
No care me name, no spread no rumor, show enough respect. Highlights sound I play them have to get respect. No care we name, no spread no rumor, show enough respect. Highlights sound I play we have to get respect. Me say this is a fact, me have to confess. When them listen, I like to have to do respect. Not to we play the baddest stuff, but we love fanciness. And when we in a the dance, you know we ever sound fresh. And everyone you know what them will impress. Some boy I get right and not disrespect. But if we dey across the sea, them a broke off the neck. If you know you're riffing, ya with them start get toasted. I like sound up with them in a one basket, but some sound one with them
Another sound bite the dust. Highlight is serious. Another sound bite the dust. Highlight is dangerous. And all these things make a sound boy nervous. Hey boy, highlight murder sound and don't partial. And all these things make sound boy get jealous. Boy. light at the sun, east, north, south, and west. Another sound bite the dust. Highlight is dangerous. Another sound bite the dust. Highlight is serious.
Yo, highlight.
Yo, this is Father Tech and I'm here to represent for DYNAMQ's 10th year anniversary. Tech 9 Movements Mix.
This is Frankie Dancehall Paul, and no sound has this but Tech 9 sound, blazing it in your ear. Tech 9! This dub is for you alone. Check it. Yo, here! Oh, Frankie Dancehall Paul. Oh, Frankie Dancehall Paul. Frankie Dancehall Paul. Oh, African princess. She's my African princess. She's mine. She's mine. She's mine. Tell me why. Tell me why. Oh, why? Tell me why. Why? I know Vasco. I know Barrow. I know Tech 9 knows what's going on. Friday sound Wahid. Friday sound Wahid. I know sound around the block. Tech 9 sound. It's like war is in the dance. War is tonight. Tech 9 killer sound. War is in the dance. War is there. Tech 9 that's the sound. War is.
You say you wanna challenge me, like you can take your cheap ass dubs and frighten me. It's not that we don't want you to play, but every time you play the people go away. I wanna believe in every dub that you play, 'cause it sounds so good. But if you really wanna play Tech 9 sound, and there's things about them you'll just have to know. Tech 9 no run, Tech 9 no hide, Tech 9 will murder you.
Word for the wise. Check it out. Was a crowded night, a night like this, when I walked into the dance hall. When I listened to the music played for me, played by Tech 9 sound. How the music touched down in the lawn, brought tears up to my face. I said to myself that I must ride and tell the human race, 'cause I know Tech 9 sound was made to serve Jah.
Follow me there, follow me then, follow me there. Enough see the glamour and the glitter, them say all is well. We a got you only the Lord will tell. Whole heap of pain, whole heap of stress up on me head. As me would born the next day, me can need it. But them say, wanna kill you, make you stronger. Me see some man a try jar we out Tech 9, go and hold the young girl. We hear the talk between her and Sajewin and Jordan. Tell me if you sing that song, you Tech 9 are just the mercy of God. The mercy of God, the mercy of God. No, oh man, I got through it, the mercy of God.
Yo, this is Father Tech and I'm here to represent for DYNAMQ's 10th year anniversary. Tech 9 Movements Mix.
Blessed love and greetings. Yes, this is original Jimmy Riley alongside Luciano. I mean, I said Tech 9 Movement.
Always for improvement. So that's I know.
Big up New York, Trinidad, Europe, Virgin Island, and rest in peace, Rick. Jimmy Riley alongside Luciano. And we don't take back chat.
Don't take back chat. Oh yeah. One it okay.
Look out, sound boy. It's gonna be rough. Look out, drumpin'.
Look out.
I said it's gonna be tough. You're gonna feel it in this dance tonight.
Tech 9 movement.
Gonna rinse out your lights.
This is gonna be a rough clash. Rougher than the days of Saddam and Gomorrah, sweetheart. And this is gonna be the change. I'll sing for
the hometown's talking about you and the dark place that you require. You've got a lot of dubs on the massive admire. Hey, yeah. Tech 9 keep telling you again and again that he will murder you. And every time you call out his name, he will be there for true.
Well, you pass on them thread away. I know they trying to be a big sound and come challenge the champion. Na 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 na.
Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx, Manhattan, Staten Island, one of Jersey, watching the whole bar, the 90s, I saw you go see there. I still gonna show you them, so I just want to know if you live up and live right. See, it's a new year, new everything, see there. Love we are spread, Jamaicans.
Choo, choo, choo.
100% the plates, take 9 place for them. 100% the plates, take 9 place.
Sound boy, won't you go fall up under your mama, under your mama, you too young to play the sound.
Them deadline, make them know. You know, young cool and living fire, Tech 9. Even a hot bush, you lots. Shut your mouth when Tech 9 talking. You disrespect the plate will be barking. How them feet try come this? You know say Tech 9 now go shoot and miss. Tech 9 say shut the fuck up. You can't worry, you are delayed.
How this is Tech 9 movement. I'm on Leroy Gibbons, so right now, eat that son we are trying to leg around my oh. Yo, 4 season killer. 4 season killer. Tech 9 is the 4 season killer. Hey. No, a guy should never test Tech 9 sound. No, you should never test Tech 9. I said no, you should never test your champion. I said no, you should never test Tech 9 sound. When your clash time comes around, they send for sound from all across town. Tech 9, put the one of them to the ground. Because you
one more. Tech 9 will kill you, and you can kill me.
Never.
We don't care about what other dubs that you really wanna play. Tonight is the last. You will be buried. No other sound can play this dub like Tech 9 sound can do. Sanchez flow, Wagana Shabarangs for you.
Badang, you know we kill a sound bad. What? Bad. Tech 9 a kill a sound bad. What? Bad. Shabba.
Tech 9 you bad, mad, wicked in a dance hall. Wicked and terrible, the champion overall. Tech 9 you bad, mad, wicked in a dance hall. Tech 9 always and forever bad.
Tech 9, since you've been gone, sound's been hanging around here lately. With their dubs packed up,
Lord of mercy.
No sound can play dubs like Tech 9 sound. You'll get buried. Sound you just messed up. Tech 9.
Them dead. Food come test Tech 9 same place. Them dead. Gunshot a bust up in a jump.
It's a Tech 9 movement. All the girls take over control the whole world. I'm for no let you make it burn. Slew them up their feelings them not carry. Them done go already and them can't say them sorry, yeah. Slew them up their feelings them not carry. You don't want them some again, see them. Them want know who I am and where I'm from. Oh, give me the authority if you want the evil man. Must be the conquering lion, no know for overstand, so we live as Zion. Them want know who I am and where I'm from.
Virgin Islands, king of fire. All the big sound. I Tech 9, what's your name?
After me left from New York, go up for him Pantone. Killing some the big sound boy for sure. And such a job when the man up on you door. This Tech 9 you a go perish for sure. Left from New York, go up for him Pantone. Preaching, teaching the people for sure. And such a job when the man up on you door. The government I wonder if we make 9 profit.
Send them one by one. I make we show them how the Tech 9 stay and in time. Send them one by one. Tech 9 we no afraid to kill the jumper. Send them one by one. Man I go kill the whole of them and ask no question. Send them one by one. Hey, Tech 9 sound a champion. Some
Don't give me the reason we kill because we kill without a cause. Then now we break on every Tech 9 on these reason we kill.
You don't want to have something Tech 9. We are the real killer. Them mind they killing town all over the world and right now. Hey, we not afraid to squeeze the trigger. I know them shoulda know say Tech 9 are the biggest sound and we are the longest lever. I make them know say no little dibby sound boy Tech 9 sound afraid.
Big bad massive Jamaica, Trinidad, Europe, Virgin Island, New Jersey. Okay. Some little loud come up at them out, them a run up if you this Tech 9. One of them burn up. Some little loud come up at them out, them a run up if you this Tech 9. One of them burn up.
Tech 9 movement.
Now sound boy, know what time it is saying. Time for the big machine turn on. I recruit the big bad sound the house saying. Yeah, I also big up man like Smokey, man like Kizen and on the whole crew saying. Whoop and Jim the veteran they are seeing sound boy have a run out of time. I recruit, come to murder sound boys. I recruit, tell them I recruit. I recruit, gonna murder someone. We're gonna dance someone. All I need from you is a good competition. Cause it gives me real motivation. And to tell you that you're done then before you know it's your Sunday today. Someone, it's your Saturday today. Oh boy.
I know someday I recruit gonna kill them. Yes. On my way to European city, figure listen, I recruit and I showing up pity. That jump and sound that deal with iniquity. We gonna kill them, murder them, cause we're the champion sound. We gonna kill them, murder them. We are the real bad sound. Them can't take the jump on them. No, can't take the dibby sound them. No, strictly I recruit. We are better than them.
Evil is on the rise. Evil is in the rise. They're no more in disguise. Some boy get rampant, no spiritually stuck. I recruit unchangeable. Yeah, I'm like one of the strange rebel. Yeah, we come and suffer on the main devil. Cause we are never on the same level. Alright, I recruit, I recruit, I go but now did up in them. But no tell boy and chucky them. Now me call I recruit and the puppy them and give them a ball of fire and tell them if you go for them. This is them let out the up in them. Let out tell boy and chucky them. Now me call bling that and the puppy them and give them a ball of fire and tell them if you go for them. Alright, you know she said them let out the hell boy. Well I threw them on to pull the place a spell boy. We no business when your friend them have a shell boy. That the truth they got to you them have to tell boy. Blood sacrifice, them soul them a sell boy. Ever make the get to youth them rebel boy. Now go bound let them know we not go nail boy. We don't push up no fist or ring no bell. Come go FARGO. I will cool and go but now dig up
I will come for slay the beast, Rastafari say east and circle and cease. And welcome the big bad sound from outer east. How we say left or right, and IRIE come left or right. Mosiah tell them, slow not tell them. IRIE crew say here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the savior, welcome the IRIE crew. I start recruit, soldiers for Selassie I army fail. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Sent by the savior, welcome the IRIE crew. You're not the oxys who Tis an issue in a warning. The people them a ball, said them tired of mediocre. Evil a go fall when we chat in a Ethiopia. Leaving from down, cause them life not easy boat ya. Even Bantan say it not an easy road. A parade, Sean occupy the motherland. Calling out soldiers to call each other long from creation. He writing a job plan. Mosiah can't do it alone. Mosiah can't do it alone.
Yo, they should know this is TRINIDAD. Okay. Representing for IRIE. Kick off the rhythm same time. You know we don't waste time. They should know. I mean go with Naman and us. So the thing setting. I say it set.
No way. No way. No way. IRIE crew. Boom. IRIE crew now we go with no man. Wanna mix up way, wanna blend up way, wanna rap up way, wanna mingle with no man. Wanna mix up way, wanna blend up way, wanna rap up way, wanna mingle with.
Skibble bang now. IRIE crew representing. How we a burn down some dirty son boy. Hey, that one your name inna your face, them a smile up. Inna the class I don't play it, we pile up, yeah. This IRIE crew and your plans we go spoil up. From to Luxembourg say well done, IRIE crew is a champion sound. Hey, we done a wonderful job clearing off them head, them say we world renowned. Double plate fling, we tell them well done, IRIE crew, you're the number one. Hey, and when a sound boy does a step up on the land, make them know, said that them head back gone. Teaser you get a round of applause with the sounds where him slewing. Double plate him fling and left and jump and in a ruins, yo. Strictly sound clash, kill smoky pursuing. So him dub box higher than the planes where them fluing now. One bag of chat a little guy a make tell them see go him come your stuff answer them threat. Hey, we left them leaking, Mosiah left them bleeding. Man I know what them preaching now. We tell them well done, them get well done. IRIE crew is a champion sound. Hey, we done a wonderful job slaughtering them sound, bury them underground.
IRIE
we tell them well done,
and we have the under the title, and we have the tone. Zion, Smokey. You don't know a Santi send that thing to the fullest, so run it now. Fast! IRIE crew, yeah. Oh, yeah. You say you wanna test IRIE crew with your little drum pan, and IRIE crew beat you badly and send you home to mama. I can't wait for the IRIE crew. IRIE crew, them will slew you. Hey. You said you wanna test my sound, and IRIE crew, them throw you down. Yeah. Listen.
Not a mercy, gone thirsty. Call me bitter like Cersei. And a nursery. Well, from your side, IRIE crew, you better run. Now here till we back with our power we gun. Yo, we pop out, we gun, well, he pop, let that go run. X amount of people, life a go done. IRIE crew, say cup a shot. Remember me telling you just that here, then. Man, about so much magnum, man, come make us play. Coffee big gun, them come back well then. IRIE crew, I kill 100 pounds spot. Wicked up, IRIE crew, pump out, lock them up all. Over there, so I left my lunch, that's why you're dead. On the ground, your head chop look dead. Them a baby, them in a them sound box. Cup a shot, IRIE crew, no bustle it from work. Your mama and your papa, I got that thing we play. Man, I'm smoking a bread early morning.
Oh, let the music of my sound and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in your sight, everyone. But when we sing again, say sound clash is a mission, we love competition. No sound a place like love cause confusion. She call the massive, them like the sound man. Them no respect the rules of dance, all them for man. Them a play spice, bunty and a slice bean, man. And a try slice, sizzler can't slice, Capricorn. But when we say IRIE crew, we are the real champion. Anytime we come out, we no malfunction. We don't give a fuck where them sound they come from. Cause anything we test we murder. Everyone coulda come from England, you coulda come from Japan. Come Come from Jamaica, we no afraid of no man.
Come as I come, and a man ask the question. Sang ding ding dang 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 dang.
IRIE crew shall kill as long as he plays, and as long as he plays, sound shall die. Sound boy, you gonna die. We not tell no lies. If you try to test IRIE crew sound.
IRIE crew man, a bad man, wicked man, no take man fit toy. Looking at me and mark, kill and destroy. Murder your mama, make your papa start cry. Police fancy me, your vet free atmosphere. Hey,
this one is exclusive, one in the world. No other sound draw this one. IRIE crew only. Combination style, Beanie Man and yours truly, Marcel Griffiths, on the case.
Oh Lord,
Mosiah, big up yourself, Zico. Easy now, where you say Beanie, talk to them.
Cool mama, IRIE crew. Oh Lord, IRIE sound, smoky around the town. Easy Zico, Mosiah come, and a man ask the question. Sang ding ding dang 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 dang.
IRIE crew shall kill as long as he plays, and as long as he plays, sound shall die. Sound boy, you gonna die. We not tell no lie. If you try to test IRIE crew sound.
IRIE crew man, a bad man, wicked man, no take man fit toy. Looking at me and mark, kill and destroy. Murder your mama, make your papa start cry. Police fancy me, your vet free atmosphere. Hey, son boy, you a go die. 21 dub, pray, your poor soul sky high. Bad man a say, son boy, you a go die. You this IRIE crew, tell your family bye-bye. Tell your family bye-bye. Tell your family bye-bye. Tell your family bye-bye.
Yes, I.
Interlion of the sound.
Interlion sound, mum.
I'ma say Interlion sound.
Say Interlion, watch on
a DEEBUZZ sound. Wanna test my sound. Oh. Them a go get thrown down. Oh, yeah. A DEEBUZZ sound. Then one come test my sound. It's DEEBUZZ sound. Them I go get thrown down. They gather around to conquer my sound, try to take away his crown. But Interlion is a champion sound, and this sound never get thrown down. But this DEEBUZZ sound.
Interlion come for kill son boy, and everything what is the lion get destroyed. Interlion come for kill for fun, we murder them for joy the read my car. What a pump, nothing hear that. Sure.
Them dead.
Well, Interlion sound a ram dance. All from them the boy they win a pumpas. Them think I like go look on the map and check the compass. Them know sir Emperor and the lion, this is dangerous. Welcome to burn the like trash. Yes.
Them come a dance all fi come test me. This sound boy him not no memory. Remember we kill your sound last week. You come back this week with the power repeat. Them dead. Inna the dance all them dead. Sound boy dead.
This is not the king from this. Oh well. Interlion, you tour the whole city, Valencia and Paris. Sound boy, if you know this, hey, tell them not try and taste the champion sound. Interlion, we murder your sound, no heed that don't play sound, boy. When they jar him come around, oh well. Let's check out the number one sound, Interlion, big band sound, oh well. We never take no disrespect from no idiot sound boy. Couldn't bring no hold us to town. Interlion, so live for the madam. You better bring good sound to town. I say spread the joy around. Don't bring your idiot up to town.
Sound boy, you dead now. We are gonna kill a jumping sound. Killing the sound boy. INTERLION enjoyment. Oh yeah, jump on your day. Clash, the clash, the clash. INTERLION killer jump on. INTERLION killer sound boy. Sound boy you dead in the dance, the dance, the dance. The champion a play, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. The champion a play, yeah. If you see a sound boy searching for old dogs, hey, nobody feel no way. Wheeling soul. Gonna jump on there tonight. INTERLION kill that. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Gonna jump on there tonight. INTERLION kill that. Look at that, look at that. When you drop down dead in ya, INTERLION do that. Old sound boy. When you drop down dead in ya, INTERLION do that. Look at that.
I greet you in my name of Jesus. Easy, INTERLION sound. Circle easy, selector. Jagger, smiley eyes. Yo, you don't know. Silas, hey, Benjamin. You know what I tell them, say, listen me. Watch this. Let me say, magnificent, 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 magnificent. To me tell them, well, excellent, well, excellent, well, excellent, well, excellent. To me say, permanent, 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 permanent. No come miss them, what about the bread, them, put them enough confidence. I'm tell them, permanent, 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 permanent. You know what tell them, say, INTERLION sound. Watch this. Well, we are ambassadors, we gone international. Problem, enemy problem, cause my God, this supernatural. Better live for Jesus and don't live for bacchanal. Get rid of them carnival, them old culty festival. Attract gay and lesbians, all kind of homosexual. And your mother and father is we get a early funeral. Them are the authorities, so them closer than your pen pal. Tell them say we gone international. I'ma tell them say magnificent, 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 magnificent. To me say well excellent, well excellent, well excellent, well excellent. To me say permanent, 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 permanent. No come miss them and them bread them, put them enough confidence. I'ma tell them permanent, 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 permanent.
You don't like INTERLION boy go suck your mama. Cause who not like we go suck them mama and bathe your girl and drink the water and jump around INTERLION there. But right now Jaman a murder we charge for. But the happy and no love it ball out for Jaja. Go tell them INTERLION yes them taking over. You don't talk the truth, you's a fucking liar. Have the elephant chunk we drink with water. And the angel them a fan we bitch a eagle's feather. If you test the INTERLION we go turn it over. Come on for June and cat him on the wild warrior.
Some people are not take one talk in the broad daylight. Them a walk with the gun to the lock, with the gun to the parrot side, with the gun serious, not laugh with the gun. Them life go down with the gun. King push back. Before them a run with the gun, take fence with the gun, take fence with the gun, take set. Defend with the gun. Say him not itch with the gun. Active to get rich with the gun. From friends, them a switch with the gun. So them a bad man, them a damn mad man. I'm fool with the gun. Shoot up a school with the gun. Son boy now follow no rules with the gun. Them a one bad with the gun. If them coulda, them woulda shoot that with the gun. Then inna the sun clash with the gun chop. Them a echo RET. I bust it up so me I want them. Them make them send back RET. We bust it up the side. So allow me bust it up so me I want them. Them get with vex. What do you the boy them curfew the bass and run through France and some place out of Waltham. Run through Paris and some place out of Britain. He said them want to get wickeder than Satan. The eyes of the road, me say him street smart. Not just no shadow after that, no get no sweet talk. Enough man get set up by them on a sweetheart. When them a load up, them a take it some deep talk. Rolling with the loaded maga, weed and grabber. Guns when we touch the road, we no roll with stones like big jagger. Big zigzagger, dogs will equip a road. Tell them say we
sound for dead, and INTERLION not saying no lady. Don't play it about something on sound boy ain't sound for dead. INTERLION not saying no lady. Don't play it about something on some bumbo will must see no you them never hear when the small I said. From a sound past the borderline them a go dead no coulda. Like a cock no coulda heavy like lead. Not a try biscuit neither try bread. Who them feel if them bad down under them bed a coulda. Plead them a plea. I rap and them a go make boy fi dead. INTERLION not saying no lady. Better must up in a sound.
Why sell us how you find now one ya? It's a judge on where sell smiley eyes. INTERLION sound make the gun them rise. You know the thing go. Man! INTERLION! So we a champion sound. INTERLION them a champion sound boy. Yeah we a champion sound. INTERLION them a champion sound lad. Yeah, so we a champion. INTERLION sound a brother jump on. If we know it no matter where we come from. Lad, cause we a a champion. Them is a champion sound I be blazing. You blaze it, take the juggling so amazing. Boy, you talk about them a bad man sound, but them a clone. Enough of them masquerading. Them start one over beast, them begging. You lucky charm could you save him. You when they don't play chopping, behead him. You wanna know, we got the trophy. We got the trophy parading. We make the hands them raising. And we make the people the blazing. You mean no, we got the place and the hands them raising. And be a big tune now we playing. I INTERLION, so we a champion. Oh, anywhere we go we made a jump on. Oh, is the Mr. Judge and Mr. Smiley eyes. Them missing all the gun them a rise. INTERLION, so we a champion so boy. Yes, we a champion so not. So we a champion so murder any fool in the town land. Tell them so we a champion. Anywhere we go we made a jump on.
DYNAMQ Sound International 10th year anniversary. African Champion Sound.
Wagwan ENT.